what should today's video be about? I have no clue. Camera guy?
Here, try this.
Okay. Thank you, Showcase, for sponsoring this video. Dun, dun. So guys, I got an LOL surprise. Littles. Hey, what are you guys doing? Oh, we're just doing a video of LOL surprise Littles. Oh, can I be in the shot, camera guy? Yay! Okay, just sit right here. What's that? Tell me when anything cool comes. Okay, I wonder why Aurora wants to do a video with us. Garbage number 1. Okay. So these little surprise have so many layers, don't they? You can find a pet or a little sister. Isn't that fun, right guys? It's like a mystery. And it's like the hair goals. Remember last video? Well, the last LOL video. Rosie. Sorry about Rosie. She likes interrupting, but who cares? Yes, Rosie. Okay. I found a secret message. Hey, Aurora! I wonder if she's gonna come. Yeah? We found a secret message. Oh my gosh, let me figure it out. What do you guys think it is? I'll show you at the end of the video. Okay? The accessory's gonna go here. Okay, tell me when anything else cool comes. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're on to the still first one. Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, today we saw a movie called Wonder Park. I cried a lot. It was very sad. And a kid was kicking me at the back of the head. And one of my fans were there! Shout out to Hudson for being at the movies with us. Back to the LOL. Oh, this life's hard to get. Ooh, you can get the Insta Gold little sister! I hope that's what we get. Sometimes I like to do it from the bottom if the top's hard. Even you know that's even harder. Can you help me, camera guy? Thank you. Wow, you did magic, camera guy. Good job. Whenever we need to open something that's hard to open, camera guy can do his magic. Okay. Someday we'll do a face reveal of camera guy. Someday. You don't want that, camera guy? Well, in our vlogs, sneak peek, in our vlogs, if you see the guy that I call Dad, is because my dad is camera guy! Yeah, that's awesome. See, there's Insta Gold. I don't think I'm getting her because she's a pink ball. For the LOL fans, you know that the gold means that it's going to be rare, and the pink means common? Yeah. And I don't know the other colors. I might, though. I think there's a blue one or a purple one. I don't know. I don't remember. It's an awful sound. Okay, last layer. You can see that it's pink. Again, a big thanks to Showcase. My first clean rip. I never do it like that. Do you see guys in my videos? I never do it like that. You can get the Insta-Gold tag. Now I'm going to show you what the answer was. It was Makeup Queen. Did you guys think that it was Makeup Queen? Well, I did, because I peeked. Because you know how whenever we showed you, I can see it? See, that's my vision, and this is your vision. Okay, back to the LOL. Oh, it's like the hair roller. Remember from last video? That was easy. Whee! Wow. Oh yeah, these are for your phone. Oh yeah, last time we showed you, right? Didn't it on camera guy? Yeah. We showed it on camera guy's phone. So you guys get to see his phone, wow! I see his phone every day. Even though that I have my own phone. Okay, what do you think this surprise is gonna be? Smells like a water bottle. I know how they all smell. This one smells like disgusting. Oh, I said that we weren't gonna get her, but we did! Well, that was surprising. Remember that, guys? I was like, it's pink, so we're not gonna get her. But we did. Her big sister comes in the pop-up store that's so expensive. That's really annoying. Is that a new? Yeah, that's a new LOL Surprise Boy right there. They have new LOL Surprise Boys. The first one was Punk Boy, right? And then Scribbles, and then Lil Bro Cheer. There's a little sis cheer, I think. Isn't there, guys? Yeah, there is, yeah. Okay. Wait, does she come with her and a pet? Because look, it kind of shows that. Let me read. It's all in Spanish. I can only understand little baby steps. Premieres, and then it's all this French. It's a gold hat. That's beautiful. Doesn't fit her, but who cares? Here's a close-up of all the accessories that we got. Uh-oh, we didn't tell Aurora. Let me wake her up. Aurora, you missed all the stuff. Oh my gosh, you got the Insta-Gold! Calm down. Rosie's probably sleeping. Can you play with them? Okay, guys. Let me be back in a snap. Another big thanks to Showcase, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. It's the gold diaper. Woo! Ow, that hurt.